for taking the time to do this.
No worries.
Thank you. Okay, we have they told you how we're gonna be, right? Some questions. I ask you some questions and you answer. All right?
Okay, sounds good.
And the first question is, what was your situation before you came to Southwest?
I had tried doing other modalities like regular massage, different types of massage, and with some success, but not really lasting success.
Mm-hmm. And what kind of problems did you have?
I have a lot of tightness throughout my body, a little pain, but a lot of tightness.
A lot of tightness. And can you describe that? How do you feel the tightness or the pain? What kind?
Well, the tightness is it means that I have to kind of try a little harder to relax, because even if I'm relaxed mentally or what have you, my body a lot of times feels very unrelaxed. And so like one side of my body will be tight, and then the other side will get tight. So I just feel like my muscles need a lot more stretching.
Okay, I get it. And can you describe that kind of pain? Was that pain or?
Well, it was some pain, like soreness, really more like soreness. And like if I touched an area, it felt more tender than it should be for even a relatively light push of.
Oh, okay, yeah. And how did that make you feel?
Well, it makes me feel very stressed because, your body is your vehicle for life, and it's got to, it's what you got to use. So it's distracting. There's so many other things I want to do, but then just, my body to relax.
And what were the things you couldn't do because of this thing?
Well, it's just that it's just a constant reminder, that like before I would start, if I would go to an exercise class, before the class started, I'm already in pain. And it's like, but I haven't even done anything.
Yeah.
So
yeah, it's hard.
Yeah. And it's hard to make progress when your muscles are tight. So I'd be working twice as hard but getting half the results.
Yeah, I get it. Yep. And how do you feel emotionally when you couldn't do those things?
Well, it makes me, sometimes it makes me feel sad and discouraged.
Yeah. And what have you tried before you came to Southwest?
You mean tried as far as
therapies? Yes. Modalities, anything that you
just regular, like you go off the street to the local massage therapy place that has 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour sessions. You could just kind of go in, spur of the moment, and try something.
But if you didn't try anything else, like acupuncture?
Oh, I did try acupuncture. I did try acupuncture. It might have helped a little,
Yeah, but it didn't really work.
I feel like it buys you time, but it doesn't maybe do anything permanent.
Oh, okay, I got it. And you thought when you came to see us that it's gonna be the same, that you're gonna getting worse and worse?
I thought that I could probably get the same or a little better.
And why did you think you're gonna be worse? You're gonna get worse?
Because I had gone to one person had done a myofascial release, and I really felt way better after that one time. And that provider is located too far away for me to go to.
Yeah, sure.
So, but actually, and she referred me to you. So that's why.
Because it was too far.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And When the situation changed, Lisa, when you started feeling a little better?
Well, I've come to you a few times, and you know, even with the first time, you feel a little better. I mean, I think if I came regularly, I'd make even more progress.
More often, yes.
But,
Yeah, that's how it works.
yeah,
Yeah.
but still, it's been a more substantial progress than in the past.
Oh, okay, good. And what happened in your first meeting at Southwest?
You evaluated, I guess, my condition, had me stand, and I guess
Mhm.
looked me over to see what was off kilter, and then gave me my release certain muscles with pressure, and yeah, listen to what my situation was, and yeah.
Oh, okay. And when did you realize and why that myofascial release was the solution?
Say again.
When did you realize and why that myofascial release was the solution?
Because I think that it's not just about making your muscles feel better, it's about making your muscles perform better, right? And what they, and exist better in your body, right? So
Yeah,
it's one thing to walk out of a massage. I mean, I have no gripes with going to a massage, but it's another thing to have your muscles be worked on in such a manner as to decrease the tightness and hopefully the inflammation.
Inflammation, yes.
Yeah. I mean, it's
a process, right? It's
not an instant fix, but at least you feel like you're making progress.
Yes, okay, that's it. And what kind of results did you have?
Well, right after the first massage, I felt a lot more limber, just like not as, I didn't feel like things were pulling on me as much.
Oh, okay.
And that, lasted a bit.
Yeah, but that's what it is. It's a process, right? Then you have to work at home and keep doing it. Okay. And on a scale of 1 to 10, when 1 will be like my treatment didn't work at all, and 10 will be like the best treatment that you ever had, how will you rate it?
Well, I mean, I do feel like it has been like one of the best treatments I've ever had, because I feel like it's just, well, first of all, I didn't know about manipulating your body this way before, so it was new to me, and I had done physical therapy, so you think you've seen it all, but it's so I've tried the acupuncture, and of course people say meditation and all this stuff, but I think that at the end of the day, you need that physical intervention. I mean, it's the same reason some people can't, reach behind them to zipper up their dress. I mean, it's just sometimes you just have to have another trained person do what you can't do. So
yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
And why would you recommend Southwest Myofascial Release?
I would recommend Southwest because I believe in you, and I believe in that what you do well, and you also continue to educate yourself. And I know you've mentioned you still go to trainings, so you're not someone that's learned this 50 years ago and forgot about learning.
Yeah, no, it's an ongoing process. Yes.
Yeah, so I think that's good, and I think that I think you believe in it, which is it's always nice that the practitioner believes in what they're doing. And those reasons.
That's good. Thank you. Thank you very much. You did great.
All right.
Thank you for your time.
Okay. Thank you for your time.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Right.
Bye, Lisa.